Good morning, everyone. This is Reshma Patil. Today, we are going to see dependency injection services. Objectives of this chapter: to understand what is dependency injection, to cover how to use Angular services, to understand how to use built in services, to understand and create custom service in AngularJS. Introduction: with AngularJS, we are able to create services. It provides us to isolate business logic of every component of application. Also, we can use the framework's dependency injection mechanism to easily supply any component with a desired dependency. This framework comes with built-in services which are very useful in the development purpose. AngularJS is powered with dependency injection mechanism that manages life cycle of each component. This mechanism is responsible for creating and distributing components within the application. What is dependency injection? Dependency injection is a software design pattern that implements inversion of control for resolving dependencies. Dependency injection is a software design in which components are given their dependencies instead of hard coding them within the component. It relieves a component from locating the dependency and makes dependencies configurable. It also helps in making components reusable, maintainable, and testable. Dependency injection is a software design pattern that deals with how components get hold of their dependencies. The AngularJS injector subsystem is in charge of creating components, resolving their dependencies, and providing them to other components as required. Understanding services. Services are defined using service functions and it can be injected into other AngularJS objects like controller, directives, filters, other services, etc. AngularJS services exist to provide functionality that is available to the entire application. A service in AngularJS is any piece of common functionality that can be shared across entire application. Services are JavaScript functions which are responsible to perform only specific tasks. This makes them individual entities which are maintainable and testable. Services are created by using service function on a module and then injected into controllers. The controllers and filters can call them on requirement basis. Services are normally injected using the dependency injection mechanism of AngularJS. AngularJS services is a set of tightly related functions managed by Angular framework which are made readily available for the use of across an application. Service in AngularJS is a function or an object that can be used to share data and the behavior across the application. Or we can say services in AngularJS are objects that are wired together using dependency injection and it can be used to share and organize code across the application. Service provides us methods to keep data across the lifetime of the Angular app. Services are singleton object and it gets instantiated only once per application by the injector and lazy loaded that is created only when necessary. Thank you.